Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can update the iOS of your iPhone using iTunes. So let's begin the video. To update the iOS of your iPhone, you're going to need a total of 3 things. First of all, your iPhone, of which you're going to update the iOS. The second thing is a USB to Lightning cable to connect your iPhone with your laptop. And the third thing is your actual laptop. I'm going to be updating iOS using a Windows PC. The process is somewhat similar for Mac users as well. Here I am on my Windows laptop, and the first thing that we are going to do is to download a free software which is called iTunes, and this is provided officially by Apple. We are going to use this software to update the iOS on our iPhone, and the best thing about this is that when you're using iTunes, if your iPhone is, let's say, not updating its iOS, then with iTunes most probably it's going to be successful. And the best thing is that the previous iOS on your iPhone is also removed. You're going to open any browser and you're going to open this website. I will put the website link in the video description. Here you're going to download iTunes either for 32-bit or 64-bit version. If you don't know the version of your Windows, you're going to go down, open File Manager. You're going to right click on this PC. You're going to go to Properties, and here under System Type, in my case it's 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to download iTunes with the 64-bit version. If yours has 32-bit, you're going to download the 32-bit version. So I'm simply going to click on the download button for the 64-bit version. Once you have downloaded iTunes, you're going to right click on the setup and run it as an administrator. Click on next. We're going to uncheck this option, the default location to install iTunes. Click on install. Once the installation has been completed, we're going to click on finish. You're going to agree to the terms and conditions or the license agreement. Click on agree. And you can see a pop-up message appears. A new version of iTunes is available. Would you like to download it now? So we're going to download the latest version of iTunes. After that, we can update the iOS of our iPhone. Here is the Apple software update iTunes, and its total size is 209 MB. So we're going to click on install, and the installation will depend on your internet speed. Here we have a message box. To finish installing the software, you need to restart your computer. So if you have anything opened up, make sure to close and save it, and after that we're going to restart our PC. Once the PC has been restarted, we're going to open iTunes again, agree to the terms and conditions, and here iTunes has been opened up. So now what we are going to do is to connect our iPhone to our laptop using the Lightning cable. And if it is the first time, it might ask you to enter your passcode on the iPhone to unlock it, so do so. After that, we have this pop-up message, a new iPhone software version. This is available for the iPhone 14 Pro. Would you like to download it and update your iPhone? So for the first step, you're going to download the latest iOS for your iPhone, and after that we are going to install it. So for now, we're going to click on download only. Here it shows you what the update is all about. We're going to click on next. We're going to click on agree, remind me later. And here on iTunes, on the top right side, you're going to have this little download icon, and if I click on it, you can see the software update file is being downloaded. The total size is 7.45 GB, and the remaining time is this. So the remaining time will mainly depend on how fast your internet connection is. So we are going to wait some time until the process of downloading the update is completed. One thing you need to make sure that is that while downloading the update, if your internet gets disconnected for some reason, then the process will be cancelled and you have to re-download the whole file again, which is a bad thing with iTunes, but you have to bear with it. And while the software update is being downloaded, you can unplug your iPhone and you can use it. And I'm going to reconnect my iPhone again. So as the download is being done, what we can do is to actually back up our iPhone, because we don't want to lose all our data if something goes wrong. So for this, you're going to have this little phone icon when you have connected your phone. Here you have the backup section. You're going to select this computer, encrypt local backup, and click on the backup now button. If you want to know everything about the backup section in detail, I have already made a video. A box will appear right up You can check out that as well. For the backup, you need to enter the passcode to unlock your iPhone. So now you can see that my iPhone data is being backed up to this Windows PC. Make sure that your Windows PC has enough space in the C drive. And now two things are being simultaneously. The software update is being downloaded and your iPhone is being backed up. Now as your iPhone is being backed up, you should not unplug your iPhone from the PC and you should not use your iPhone. So we are going to wait until both of these processes are completed. Once the iOS update has been downloaded, now we can update our iPhone, and my iPhone has been backed up as well. So here it is. A new version of the software is available, 17.1.2, and the current version on my iPhone is iOS 16.6. Here you have two options to update the iPhone or restore it. If you click on the restore button, then it's going to delete all the data on your iPhone and it's going to install this iOS update. And this is best if you want to completely reset your iPhone to factory settings, and if you want your data back, you can actually restore it. However, if you click on the update iPhone button, then it's simply going to install the latest iOS version and your data will not be removed. So I'm going to click on the update button. iTunes will update your iPhone to iOS 17.1.2 and will verify the update with Apple. So we're going to click on update, and you need to enter the passcode on your iPhone to unlock it. Once you have unlocked your iPhone, it's going to extract the software as you can see. And for this thing, you need to have internet connection enabled on your laptop or PC because it is going to verify the update from Apple's servers. iTunes is currently syncing the iPhone 14. Are you sure you want to stop and update the iPhone software instead? So I'm going to click on update. On the top, preparing iPhone for software update. On the iPhone, you can see you have this little icon showing that you should connect the connected. So we're not going to do anything. Now we're not going to touch our iPhone or our laptop, and we're going to allow it to complete the update process. During this time, your iPhone may start multiple times with the Apple logo, so you should not touch it because this might corrupt the updation process. Here on the iPhone, you have this Apple logo with the progress bar. So we're going to wait till the update is completed. Here you can see a pop-up message. Your iPhone has been updated. Please leave your iPhone connected. It will appear in the iTunes window. Here you can see the iPhone has restarted. So we're not going to close iTunes or unplug our iPhone from the laptop or PC. Here you have a second progress bar which it is going to complete. Here you have an error message. iTunes could not connect to the iPhone. An unknown error occurred. So for this, you don't have to worry. As long as your iPhone is connected, you should not do anything. You're just going to wait until this progress bar completes. Here you can see the iPhone has been updated successfully. So let me just open it and I'm going to enter my passcode. Here you can see software update complete. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 17.1.2. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.